Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY, guys, is part of the Future Project Series number 2, the Feather Chandelier Light Pendant. And if you want to see how I put this together, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And here, guys, we have the tools and materials to work with, which are the white feathers. I also have a hot glue gun. We have the foundation of this project, which is a 10-inch paper lantern, metallic silver. I have the diamond gems that are pre-drilled, which are acrylic. And we have strands of acrylic gems. So guys, let's get started. Here I am putting glue around the top rim of, or the top edge of the opening of the paper lantern. And this is where I'll be starting to apply the first set of feathers. And guys, I do this in a circular position all the way around the paper lantern, because I figured it would look decent with them all going in one direction. So, and that was my strategy. And there we have it. That pattern will be done throughout the rest of the project. And here you see I just speed it up a little bit so that you guys can see how this process goes without it being so tedious and time consuming, because it is. But it was well worth it in the end. And that's what we have so far. And here we are further in. Right here I'm showing you the spine of the feather. On the inside of the curve, it has a little feather at the point. I have to pull that off and then apply the glue so that I'm using the curved portion of the feather to lay against the foundation. And I had to do that to every feather. Here we are, moving right along. Okay guys, now that I have it most of the way filled in, this is what we have so far. This is the top, and this is the bottom here. So far, this is what I have going on, and I will be putting in more feathers as I finish the top. I will be filling in spaces. And I guess the best way to know how this will, like if this is an even, even apply, I guess the best way to be able to tell is to put a light in here. And see what it does. So that's what we're gonna do. Be right back. Yoo-hoot. So guys, I believe that the lighting demonstration a few seconds ago showed that it's pretty even as far as the feather application goes. So at this point, we will now install the acrylic gems. Here you see I've already put on the first strand of gems, and the way I did that was I took the first gem, I overlapped it on the crossbar of the lantern, and I put glue on the second gem, and then I folded it together until the glue set. And that was the process to put the rest of the gems on. I put 7 strands across the bar. So because I want my crystals to have a staggered look, I am making it come in like this. Shorter on the ends, point coming down into a point on the other side. So starting in, this is the longest. Okay, and then the next thing I do, guys, I have a soldering iron that I'll be using to put holes in the bottom of each gem on the end of the strands here. Alright, this is just to demonstrate how I solder a hole in my gem. I hold the soldering iron in place and see where the string is. Right where the string is, close to the bottom, I just hold that in place and slowly push through enough so that there's a hole. And I don't know if you can see that. Do it again, make it a little bit bigger, just enough. There we are, that hole right there, just enough for the wire to go through. Okay guys, so after I finish soldering a hole in the rest of these gems as I just demonstrated, then I'll show you how I install the diamonds. Alright guys, I'll be using this thin wire to attach my gem to the end of my acrylic strands. This is the first install. I just string it through, then I twist. Twist it like that, and I just thread it through. All the way to the edge until both gems, the diamond gem and the acrylic strand, are touching each other. Then I just wrap the wire around, which is called scarfing, and I just wrap that wire around it, around the base. and that's how it'll be. I'll do the rest and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. And here is the final result, guys. Yes, what do you think of this future DIY project? Let me know in the comments below. I think it turned out beautiful. It is so pretty. It almost reminds me of a cloud with raindrops. What do you think? I think it turned out very pretty. It's lovely. Yes. And guys, if you like the content that I have put out on my channel today, let me know again in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, hit that like button if you like the video that I've put out today. Share and tap that notification bell, guys, because I will be coming up with the next future DIY project, which will be number 3. So I'm looking forward to doing that for you guys, and I hope you're looking forward to checking me out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.